Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Spanish Town. We are by White Church Street and the Spanish Town bypass. And on the left where we're going now is where they're going to build the largest plaza in Spanish Town. It's going to be the largest development in Spanish Town. Stores like Courts, a bank, a gas station is coming over here. You're going to have a coffee store. You're going to have an auto parts store. You're going to have a juicy patties. A lot of stores have already leased spots over here. Now, this property is going to be on 24 acres. And they have dumped up the land because this used to be swampland. Here it had a drainage problem. But as you can see, they have dumped it up and put in the roads, and they are going to start actual construction of the plaza very soon. There you can see the land has been dumped up and the necessary drainage put in. Now this property is directly across the road from the entrance to Bernard Lodge, and with 15,000 homes to be built in the Bernard Lodge area, in Bernard Lodge actually, and thousands that are there already. This is going to be a very successful plaza. And then it's on the Spanish Town bypass, which is the main road when leaving the city of Kingston if you're not going on the highway. So therefore it is at a very good location, prime location. Now this property was acquired for almost $700 million, and they're going to be spending billions to build this development. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this development. Let us know what you think. This is one of many developments taking place in Spanish Town. Sagicor just opened their New Brunswick village. Very a massive development. And this one is that one had 40 commercial units. But it also had residential units at the back. So it was like two developments. Commercial at the front, residential at the back. This one is going to be over 40 units in this plaza. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.